Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to review how to edit your alarm settings in your I-Gard command center. So to start, go ahead and make sure you are on the home screen and that you're also in admin mode. If you're not already in admin mode, go ahead and select the arrow at the top of the screen, select admin, and now we can begin. So to start, click settings on the left hand side, and then you're going to choose NGR and alarm settings. And now you're on the general alarm setting page. You can choose your alarm level using the slider provided. And then you also have the ability to choose settings for mode, mute alarm relay, and mute delay. We also have the option to change the time for the mute delay. To do this, just click on the box and then choose from the time increments ranging from 15 minutes to 24 hours. And that's it. That's how you change the alarm settings on your I-Gard command center. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. As always, give us a call if you need any more assistance, and one of our technical support engineers will gladly help you out. Also, feel free to visit our website for a ton of great resources, including case studies, webinars, brochures, manuals, and much more. Again, thanks for watching. We hope you found this helpful.